everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tamyia and I'm so excited to be doing this video for you today. As you can see from the title, I have some TEMU inspired designer items, and I was actually inspired to do this video from a video that I watched of Amazon inspired designer items, and even some of those items could still be out of people's price range. And what I have noticed is that TEMU has a lot of the same items you can find on Amazon. Of course, you have to wait a little bit longer to get them in the mail, but they are a lot cheaper and will fit a lot more budgets, and the quality is the same. Like, it's literally the same items just on TEMU, and you just have to wait a little bit longer to get those items in the mail. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I'm also going to be sharing prices over here and showing you pictures and prices of what that item would look like from the actual designer. So first, I have this David Yurman bracelet, and you can get David Yurman bracelets in a lot of different styles. So it looks as so, and I'll put it on for you. And this is really good quality. And this was only a couple of dollars from TEMU, and I will have everything linked down below for you as well. I really like it, and the quality is really nice. So that's what makes it even better, is that it has great quality. So I will have this linked down below in the description box, and I'll have the actual one from David Yurman linked too. But I just think this is really cute, and I don't know if y'all can see the inside detail. There you go. That's really nice. And everything that I found on TEMU, I also try to find and make sure that you could find the one from the actual website. And it just comes in a cute little package as so. And yeah, so I wear silver and gold jewelry, and as you may know, a lot of the David Yurman pieces are, you know, both silver and gold, or you can choose. This is so cute and great quality. Next, I have some Newton bracelets, and I got the stackable. Now they sell these as individuals, and they sell them stackable. And these were a couple of dollars as well. And they look as so. Now, I don't know how I personally feel about these. It's given two age ranges, and I'm definitely in the middle. So it's given little kid, but it's also given like grandma. Like, I don't know. Maybe just like one or two cute ones. Like if you decided just to do two. But a whole stack, I feel like it's giving little kid that's having fun with their little bracelets, or it's giving, I don't know. I don't know. But they are definitely budget friendly. And I don't know what the real ones feel like to give you like a comparison. But I do know you can get one of the real ones for like $40 and then up into like the hundreds of dollars. But yeah, this is, how many did I have here? 1, 2, 3, 7. Yes, 7. And they range in size as so. So if you've been wanting some Newton bracelets, if you like them, if you think they're really cute and stylish, definitely get you some. I'm not really a fan, but I did want to show you how they looked and share them with you. And they were really big, and I think most people were learning about them during Bama Rush. If you're on TikTok, that's when most people was getting familiar. To go away from jewelry a little bit, you may have seen these skinny scarves, and a lot of times these are sold with purses, and this one is Coach inspired, and it has the horses. And if you're familiar with Coach, you know they have like the horse and carriage. I can't talk. They have the horse and carriage. And I really like the colors. It's really pretty for spring, summer. Really nice. Is also good quality. You could tie it around your head. You could tie it around a bag. Really cute. The colors are really pretty. And of course, these definitely range in price depending on if you go to an outlet or if you go to the regular Coach store. You look online, you can find these as cheap as probably like $15 to like the $50 range, just depending. This was not much on TEMU, as you will see over here, but it's really pretty, and it does come in other colors, and the quality is great as well. So if you want something like this, you can get you one. They did have other inspired dupes like Dior and Gucci, but I felt like for me and what I was seeing, the Coach one looked more, it looked less dupe-ish. It's great quality, and it does come in other colors. So next I have some Bottega inspired earrings. I'm trying to hold it still so you can see. And of course, these are all TEMU. That's everything I'm showing you. And these range like in the 1200s. And they did have silver, gold, and they had some that you could get like both silver and gold in a pack as well. And here is the other one. But I was just gonna do one so y'all can get a better look. So if you've been wanting a pair of these, definitely check out TEMU and get you a pair. They're really good quality. And then the back, if you order them, be careful, because the back was, y'all can't see that, but that's the back right there in between my two fingers. But the back was in my little baggie with the earring. And these are just really, really nice. And I like these because you can dress them up or down. And again, they had silver and gold individual or silver and gold together in a pack. And here's both of them. So yeah, I really, really like those. They're really, really cute. Definitely will come in handy to dress any outfit up. Those are nice. So something else that people like is Pandora. And I have two inspired Pandora rings. Now I have another silver ring that I got that's not in this video. If you're getting something more of like a, you know, a basic or something that has a little bit more razzle dazzle. So that's a crown. Now on the TEMU website, they do have real silver and then they have fake silver. If it is real, it will tell you, it'll have like a little 925. And the silver is priced a little bit higher. And then if it's fake, it basically won't have the 925 and it will be significantly cheaper. So let's say like the real silver ring might be $7 or $8 and a ring that's not silver might be $1. So then I also have this bow. Isn't that cute? Now the bow is real silver and it has the 925, but the crown, do it this way, the crown isn't real silver. And then I have another ring from them that's also real silver and it has the 925. Again, if you do order from TEMU and you want real silver jewelry, it will say 925 and it will be higher than the fake jewelry. But these are really, really cute, and you can definitely find a lot of different inspired Pandora rings on TEMU. Just search for silver rings, or if there's a certain style that you want, just search for that style. And again, if you want real silver, just check for the 925 and it'll come in a packet like this. But also the ring will actually be in this packet and then it'll be in the bigger package. Really, really cute, really affordable. And they have all, like anything you can find on Pandora website, they have on the TEMU website. All right, let's take another break from jewelry and get into this belt. So I found this Coach inspired belt. And what's really exciting is it's reversible. So you can wear it on the brown side or the black side. And then let me show you the C. I don't know how well y'all can see with that plastic on there. Let me take the plastic off and then show you. So there you go, you can see the C. And again, it is reversible, so I can pop that out as so, slide it off, come here to the other end with the black and slide it on as so. Come on. There we go. Slide it on, and then I'm going to put the back through this little hole, and now it's on the black side. So yeah, this is really great. The seat is identical, y'all. Look at that. How perfect is that? And then again, it's reversible, black or brown, and it does tell you the size that you're getting. So I ordered this one in a large, and I believe they came in small, medium, or large. And they will have the belt in this, and then they will like wrap it up as so and just put it in the baggie. But this is, y'all, the quality of this belt is great. It's like 2 for 1. How convenient is that? So if you're looking for a belt, get your belt. Coach was the main belt I saw. It's probably the easiest to do. I would imagine that H for Airman's would be easy to do, but it was definitely easy for them to, you know, like copy a Coach belt with a letter C. So yeah, check out that. So getting back into the jewelry, I have a Van Cleef inspired necklace. Now I didn't go for one of the colorful pieces because when I was looking on the TEMU app, the colorful pieces look cheap to me. But I mean, I don't know how they would look in person, but just looking in a picture, they look cheap to me. So I got one that was like diamond inspired, and it's so pretty, so pretty. And one like this on the Van Cleef website is about $8,500 and on Temu this is just a couple of dollars, but it is so pretty and it lays so nicely. I have tried everything on. The necklace isn't real silver, and the pendant isn't real silver either, but this is perfect. I absolutely love it. Now again, if you're looking for a colorful pendant or colorful pattern, you may be able to find one, but like I said, to me the colorful ones looked cheap, so I opted for this one. However, it may or may not turn. It just depends on how well you take care of it, but it's really cute. And again, it was in this package and then in the bigger package. So yeah, and it was easy to put on. Everything just flowed nicely. Definitely check out their Van Cleef dupes. Check out all of the dupes that they have. You may have to do some searching. It definitely was easier to find jewelry and accessory dupes than shirts. But speaking of shirts, and it is so comfortable and the quality is top tier. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. And this is a large, and again, just cotton shirt, and then the Burberry pattern around the neck and the collar. Get into it, and it looks so cute. I don't know if people still wearing this style though, like the polo style. I don't like. I'll work in the office twice a week, so I don't be knowing, and then I don't really see anybody at my job. I can only go off social media what people are like really wearing like that, but this is really cute, and this is great quality, and it's definitely a lot cheaper than a Burberry top. I really like it. Very comfortable. Get you one. I don't remember seeing other color shirts though, like a white or a gray or anything like that. I just saw this black one, but I really like it. And actually, no, I got an extra large, and let me tell you. So the reason why I got an extra large is because I have noticed when I have purchased clothes from Temu, I usually get a large. However, it either be really big or really small. So I thought it was going to be safer for me to just get a bigger size than a smaller size, and it'd be too small for me to actually show you me wearing it. Temu does have like a lot of great clothing pieces, but a lot of the ones I have ordered, and if you follow me maybe on TikTok or if you see my shorts on here, I have shown you various pieces, and usually I get a large in everything, but they're either too big or too small. And when it comes to clothes on Temu, a lot of times you can't go based on their reviews because some people just put whatever because you get points. So basically, do your research and definitely compare and contrast. But what I can say is this Burberry top is great quality. I can vouch for this right here. I do have a couple other pieces that I have purchased from Temu. They're a great quality. It's just usually my experience with their clothes is that they're either too big or too small, even though I just order a large straight across the board. All right, so I know that I have on glasses right now, but I also wear shades, and these are Prada inspired shades, and the real deal is normally $6.60. And they look as so. How cute are these? And you definitely need shades all year round. These are really good quality. They're not flimsy. Let me put them on for real. They don't feel like they're gonna go anywhere, fall off my face. They're really nice. I like them. And again, the real ones are $6.60. They also had other designer inspired sunglasses as well. That was probably one of the easiest things to find besides the jewelry. But these are just really cute, really good quality, and I really like them. So yeah, they came in a box like this. Everything is very nicely packaged. Another thing that I like about Temu is their return policy. It is so easy to return items. Just click on the app, put what you want to return, you can say why, and then just package it and your money is back like that. And last but not least, I have this Christian Dior inspired bracelet. So it's in this package and it looks as so. Hold on one moment. And it looks as so. Really pretty. Now there were some that you could really see that it was a C and a D, and then there was some that it really just looked like two D's, kind of like this one. But this is really cute, and they have some other Christian Dior inspired pieces, but I really like this one. And then the back is very secure, 2 clasps. Really nice, really cute. Sorry for the lighting change from my hand being up there. So if you know there's something that you may want, definitely go ahead and check out Temu, because it may take it about a week to get to you versus Amazon or the actual, you know, website. But definitely check out Temu for some designer inspired dupes. You definitely can't go wrong. You're only going to spend a couple of dollars, and it has some really nice pieces. Just make sure you order it in advance from when you may actually need it. Everything that I showed you today will be linked down below in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notification. Let me know what your favorite piece was down below. And if you really like this video and you want me to do another one, because I already have some pieces in my cart, everything will be linked down below. The Temu version, the Amazon version, and the real thing, I'm going to try to link all 3 down below in the description box for you. And make sure you check out my LTK. See you in my next video, which should be a Walmart try on haul. Bye. It's something about the way you say